Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can install the Windows 11 on your M1 MacBook Pro or M1 MacBook Air, and it will be the latest Windows 11 version that you can install. So let's get started. So you need to download a virtual machine called the Parallel. From here, click on Try. It gives you 14 days trial for free. Click on Download and then click on Open, and then you have to install it. You have to double click on it, the installer, and it will start installing the virtual machine. So as you can see, the downloading and the installation has finished. So then you have to click on the play button right here and click on continue, and boom, as you can see here, I have installed the Windows 11 on the latest M1 MacBook Pro or M1 MacBook Air. You can see I already have different software and the other stuff that I installed recently. So that's all you can see here, the Windows 11.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.